not very good at shuffling. I was doing some research the other day. Every time I looked up card controls, these guys. We're not going to talk about these card controls. We're going to talk about card controls on your phone. Today we're going to cover card control basics. What are they? Why would I want to use them? And how do I get started? So let's jump into it. Card control basics, generally speaking, is a feature offered by your financial institution which allows you to control in real time when, where, and how your debit card is being used. It's got some really cool capabilities like allowing you to turn your debit card on and off in real time, blocking certain categories of transactions, and you can be opt-in to be alerted if a specific type of purchase is being made. It's important to know that these card control settings will not impact any of your recurring transactions that you already have set up with your debit card. So that means things like gym membership, phone bill, streaming subscription. Even if you turn your debit card off, those will still be processed. So why would I want to use card controls? For example, if I know that I would not normally make a purchase from another country directly, then I can choose to block foreign transactions. Or if I share an account with a partner and let's say, for example, that we have to cut down our online shopping by $50 a month, which seems like it's pretty relatable for most couples right now, we can actually opt in to receive alerts for online transactions. Anytime that one of us buys something online, we'll receive an alert, and that helps keep us accountable. Let's talk about a possible scenario. What happens if I receive an alert or see a blocked purchase attempt for a transaction that I know I didn't make? You can actually open up card controls, select to turn your debit card off, and then contact your financial institution. You won't be able to make any new purchases on your card, but your financial institution will be able to look into your account and see if there was any fraud attempt being made. That means that even if you are frantically searching around your house, wondering where your debit card is, swearing that you just had it, maybe you're changing purses, for example. You don't always know where your debit card is. Turning your debit card off from card controls can help add that extra layer of protection before you even contact your financial institution. We got through the what and why of card controls, even walked through a quick little scenario on if we think we misplaced our debit card. But now we're going to talk about the how. How do I start using it? How do I enroll? So all you'll need for this part is a laptop or, more specifically, your phone. And this is pertaining specifically to the Together CU app with online and mobile access. If you have a different financial institution, just chat with them and see if they have something similar. How to use card controls. Open your Together CU app, select More, then Card Controls. If you are accessing card controls from a desktop, it can be found under the tab labeled Additional Services. If this is your first time using card controls, there's going to be terms and services that you will need to read through and then select Agree. Then your debit card controls will be ready to view. There will be two immediate options under your debit card. The first one being alert delivery options. And you can choose whether you want them on or off, but you have to choose at least one of them. And from there, then you'll select back to card settings and you'll see set blocks and alerts. From here, you can choose how card controls work for you. There are three options: all transactions, preferred transactions, and block transactions. All transactions means you are choosing to be alerted for every purchase you make in every category. Preferred transactions means you are specifying whether you want to be alerted for a specific category or block it. It's kind of a mix and match. Blocked means you are choosing only to be alerted for the transactions that you are not allowing to be made from a specific category. So let's talk about the four types of preferred transactions that you can make through card controls. The first one is a merchant transaction. The merchant types are categories that might be labeled under things like personal care, household, entertainment, travel. My Netflix subscription might be listed under entertainment, and my favorite nail salon would be listed as personal care. And from there, you can always choose whether to decline specific transactions or just send alerts for those purchases. Transaction types are listed with specific types of purchases, like at an ATM or making a purchase online, using it in store, mail order phone, and your mobile wallet. Location type just is the international type. It's only one. This is for international purchases. All of these card control abilities are extremely important, but my favorite one is spending limits. From there, you can control whether to be alerted or decline a transaction that is made over a specific dollar amount. So, for example, if I know that I don't normally make a purchase over $300, then I can immediately choose to be alerted or block a purchase that is attempted to be made for over that dollar amount. If I know that I'm going to spend over that dollar amount that I've set as an alert or a block, I can just turn it off and make that purchase and then go in and turn it back on. And that is how you use card controls on the Together CU app. For more ways on how to use your Together CU app and for just some great basic financial advice, check out our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's everything. Stay safe and healthy. Thanks everyone. Bye.